Dear learners, welcome to this presentation on child dose calculations. But before starting to our today's presentation, if you have still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe by clicking on subscribe button and do not forget to press the bell icon to get latest updates and videos. And do watch this video till the end to get more information about child dose calculations. So let us start with our today's presentation. After watching this video, the learners will be able to calculate the child dose calculations. So let us see which are the different methods of calculations. The first is according to the age, okay, and next is according to the body weight, and the third method is according to the body surface area. So in according to the age, there are four formulas that are used for calculation of dose of children. First is the Young's formula. Then next is the Dilling's formula. Then next is the Fried's formula. And next is the Cowling's formula. So these four formulas are used to calculate the dose according to the age. Then according to the body weight, Clark's formula is used. And according to the body surface area, Katzer's method is used. Now let us see one by one each of these formula. So the first one is dose proportionate to the age. Here Young's formula, as I have told you earlier, according to the age, Young's formula is used for calculation of dose. But when this Young's formula is used, the Young's formula is used for the children whose age is in between 2 to 12 years of age. Okay, for the children from 2 to 12 years of age, if the dose is to be calculated, you are going to use the Young's formula. Then next is the Dilling's formula. Now when this Dilling's formula you are going to use for calculation of dose for children in between 4 to 20 years of age. Okay, Dilling's formula is used. Then Fried's formula, when you are going to use the Fried's formula, is used for the infants. Okay, calculation of dose for infants up to 2 years old. Then next is the Cowling's formula. So at age at next birthday, okay, Cowling's formula, we are going to see this formula in further slides. Okay, so what is the actual formula you will see. So Young's formula, as I told you earlier, when it is used to calculate the dose for children from 2 to 12 years of age. Now what is the Young's formula? Okay, so the formula is dose for child is equal to age in years divided by age in years plus 12 into adult dose. Okay, now this is the Young's formula. Age in years divided by age in years plus 12 into adult dose. So this is the Young's formula. Then next is the Dilling's formula. Now when you are going to use the Dilling's formula, so for calculation of dose for children in between 4 to 20 years of age. Okay, if the age of children is in between 4 to 20 years, you are going to use the Dilling's formula. So what is the Dilling's formula? Dose for a child is equal to age in years divided by 20. Okay, age in years divided by 20 into adult dose. So this is the Dilling's formula. Then next is the Fried's formula. Now when you are going to use the Fried's formula you are going to use for infants up to 2 years old. Okay, and what is the Fried's formula? Dose for a child is equal to age, it is given in months. Okay, age that is given in months divided by 150 into adult dose. So this is the Fried's formula. Then next is the Cowling's formula. Okay, so what is the Cowling's formula? How it is calculated? The formula is dose for child is equal to age at next birthday. Okay, age of child at next birthday in years divided by 24 into adult dose. That is the Cowling's formula. Now, next is dose proportionate to the body weight. So here, according to the body weight, if the dose you want to calculate, we are going to use the Clark's formula. So Clark's formula, here when a problem comes according to the body weight, one thing you should keep in mind that you should see whether the weight is given in kg, okay, or the weight is given in pound. Okay, you should see that first in the problem, and according to that the formula you are going to use. So if the child weight, okay, child weight you have to find out in kg, okay, then the formula you are going to use this dose for child is equal to child weight in kg. Okay, dose for a child is equal to child weight in kg divided by 70 into adult dose. This formula you are going to use when the child, you have to find out the child weight in kg. Okay, and the next class formula, if you want, you have to find out the child weight dose in pounds. Okay, the formula you are going to use is dose for a child is equal to child weight in pounds, and the unit of pound is lb. Okay, dose for a child is equal to child weight in pounds divided by 150 into adult dose. So this formula you are going to use when the weight is given in pounds. Okay, so this is according to the body weight. We have seen the Clark's formula. When the child weight is given in kg, then you are going to use child weight in kg divided by 70 into adult dose. And when child weight is given in pounds, okay, then you are going to use the formula child weight in pounds divided by 150 into adult dose. Now the next is dose proportionate to body surface area. Okay, so here the Katzer's formula is used, okay, according to the body surface area of child. So the formula is dose for a child is equal to body surface area of child in meter square. Okay, dose for a child is equal to body surface area of child in meter square divided by 1.73 meter square into adult dose. So this is the Katzer's formula. I hope you have understood all these formulas of child dose calculations. If you like this video, then press like button and give your feedback regarding this video in comment box. So, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on subscribe button, and do not forget to press the bell icon for more videos and updates. So thank you for your patience listening. Keep learning.